Hi guys, welcome to the Knowledge Lovers. In today's video, we will be discussing pedagogy MCQs. You will have to watch the video till the end. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. We are going to start now. Dish or which one revolves around particular subject matter or discipline? Teacher-centered curriculum, B. Subject-centered curriculum, C. Activity-based curriculum, D. All of these. The right answer is going to be it is B. Subject-centered curriculum. A number of examples of the formal curriculum include things like lecturers, handouts, course guides, and the prospectus comes under A. Formal, B. Integrated curriculum, C. Hidden curriculum, D. Extra curriculum. The right answer is it is A. Formal curriculum. Which curriculum design is a framework for instructional planning that outlines broad goals and strategies to reach them? A. Formal curriculum, B. Hidden curriculum, C. Extra curriculum, D. Null curriculum. The right answer is going to be it is formal curriculum. Contents is an element of dash. A. Curriculum, B. Guidance, C. Both, D. None of these. Right answer is A. It is curriculum. How many elements of curriculum? A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 5. Right answer is 4. It is C. Which which on long detail convert into short form? Which one long detail convert into short form? A. Null curriculum, B. Integrated curriculum, C. Hidden curriculum, D. Extra curriculum. So the correct answer is integrated curriculum. Laptops to students multimedia projection comes under integrated curriculum, B. Electronic curriculum, C. Null curriculum, D. Hidden curriculum. So the right answer is going to be it is electronic curriculum. B is correct. Students are learned something based on the absence of certain interactions comes under dash. A. Integrated curriculum, B. Extra curriculum, C. Null curriculum, D. Hidden curriculum. Right answer is null curriculum. It is C. What students do not have the opportunity to learn is a type of A. Extra curriculum, B. Hidden curriculum, C. Integrated curriculum, D. Null curriculum. Right answer is going to be it is null curriculum. Students are learning something based on the absence of certain and the discourse in the classroom is a part of dash. A. Null curriculum, B. Integrated curriculum, C. Hidden curriculum, and D. Extra curriculum. The right answer is going to be it is null curriculum. Electronic mechanisms to search the literature is a type of A. Integrated curriculum, B. Extra curriculum, C. Electronic curriculum, D. Hidden curriculum. The right answer is going to be it is electronic curriculum. C is correct. Which curriculum based on common learning and a method called A. Child-centered, B. Teacher-centered, C. Subject-centered, D. None of these. Right answer is going to be it is A. Child-centered. Two clause after different subjects in one main subject called A. Integrated curriculum, B. Electronic curriculum, C. Null curriculum, D. Hidden curriculum. Right answer is A. Integrated curriculum. Major elements of dash instruction: guidance, B. So it should be dash is major element of instruction. A. Guidance, B. Curriculum, C. Both, D. None of these. So right answer is going to be it is both. Is a general term for education that can occur outside of a structured curriculum. A. Informal, B. Electronic curriculum, C. Null curriculum, D. Hidden curriculum. So the right answer is going to be informal curriculum, which works through conversation and the exploration and the uh, enlargement of experience. A. Informal. B. Electronic curriculum. C. Null curriculum. D. Hidden curriculum. Right answer is informal curriculum. Day's curriculum may focus on math or biology. A. Teacher-centered. B. Subject-centered curriculum. C. Activity-based curriculum. D. All of these. Right answer is going to be subject-centered curriculum. Dash encourages children to participate physically and mentally in the learning process and help students learn and retain information. A. Teacher-centered curriculum. B. Subject-centered curriculum. C. Activity-based curriculum. D. All of these. Right answer is going to be it is activity-based curriculum. Training teacher is needed in which type of curriculum? A. Teacher-centered. B. Subject-centered. C. Child-centered. D. None of these. Right answer is going to be it is child-centered. So thank you so much for watching. These were the MCQs. Have a wonderful day.